Welcome, in front of me I have REALME Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the REALME Link application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the icon to open the application. In the app you should see your REALME Watch 5 right here on the list of my devices. Tap on it. Here scroll down. Then tap on delete device, tap on delete, and the watch will disappear from the list of my devices. It will also reset itself to the factory default settings. You can also check the Bluetooth settings on your phone just in case and see if the watch is right here on the list. It shouldn't be, but if it is for you, tap on the info or settings icon next to it, tap on forget or remove to basically remove it from this list. And once you're done, close the settings, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.